The second product on this list is the Adams Premium. Another unit from Adams now. This model is designed with extreme attention to detail and provides some industry-leading features, including a dual adjustable spray fan for vertical and horizontal adjustment and a wide fill canister to prevent tips and spills. The upgraded brass and stainless steel fittings make it more durable, and the versatile foaming nozzle with its wide-body canister makes foaming up cars effortless. We like that it improves the efficiency of your car cleaning routine by adding a pressure wash foam cannon. This is simply a tool every detailing enthusiast should have. The layers of foam create lubricity and help reduce the chances of harming your vehicle's paint, wheel, trim, or other delicate surfaces. Another advantage is that it has a high-volume canister, which is able to hold more than 32 ounces of liquid. Furthermore, you can add a car wash soap with water to create foam blankets. Now you can attach bottles directly to your foam cannon and utilize every last drop of your car soap effortlessly. Its pros are: it has an adjustable spray fan that can be used vertically and horizontally, it has a wide canister that prevents it from tipping over, and it has a high-volume canister that's suited to heavy-duty tasks. However, sometimes the threaded valve can come loose, which is annoying. The Adams Premium is a fantastic tool to help you expertly clean your car in no time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.